Hey guys, welcome back to ToonBlend 3D. Today, I'll be modeling Boxxo, the vending machine character from the anime. Reincarnated as a vending machine, I now wander the dungeon. I've prepared a layout design in Inkscape to use as a reference. Alright, let's jump right in. Start by adding a cube. Then, mark the seams where needed. Subdivide the mesh to add more geometry. Now go to the shader editor and add an image texture node. Open the UV editor and select the faces. Unwrap the model. Go to the Render tab, then scroll down to Color Management. Adjust the UVs to match the layout design. Make sure the faces are not flipped. Also, check that the size, alignment, and spacing between each face are consistent. Once everything looks good, choose a material, either principled BSDF or emission. Here, I'm using principled BSDF. Add an outline to make the shape pop. That's it for this part. Like and subscribe if this helped. I'd really appreciate it. Next, we'll move on to facial rigging using image-based face textures.